Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram shopping. So now we are here on our Shopify store, and what we need to do first is head over to another website. And in this case, we're going to search up apps.shopify.com. And if we enter now, it will directly send us to the Shopify App Store, where we will find necessary apps or extensions that can help our Shopify store in terms of expanding its features. So now we need to log it in, and let's just search up here Instagram shopping, and down here we'll see Facebook and Instagram. It's free to install, and it's developed by Meta, the developer of Facebook and Instagram, so you know it's official. So you can see all the features here. You can see one-time account connection, and everything is easily set up. So just click on install now, and then just follow the instructions that I will be showing here to you. Just click on now add sales channel to add this to your store. And now, as you can see, so up here on the left side of the screen, and it's now part of our Shopify experience. Now we just need to set up all these things and connect it to our account. Just follow all the instructions shown by Meta, by Shopify, by this app, and everything should be fine if you followed it perfectly. And your account will be connected to Instagram shopping. I hope this video helped you. This was Generation Unravel. Like, comment, subscribe if you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.